All right, so you have your old buttons, or old button, and then new button. Right, I'm gonna have the link in the description. So you pry. All right, so you stick your pry tool in there, you lift up, boom, popped up in the sky, or in the air. But yeah, you use your trim tool and pry under and lift up. Then you get your new piece. You just put it right in. There you go. So then you have your off, sport, eco, and start button. I don't have a what do you call it, parking, which will be right here. It would have been right there, but I don't have the parking assist. And that's how you do it. Till next time.